Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here and welcome back to another crypto video. Today we got some really interesting crypto news, so make sure you guys press the like button down below if you're supporting the content and whatnot, and also make sure you subscribe for more daily crypto content. Also guys, let me know what coins to cover next in the comment section down below. So to quickly start off the day, Bitcoin at 10,200, Ethereum at $280, and XRP at 30.3. I'll do or try to do this every episode, just quickly go over the top 3 coins on the first video of the day, just so you quickly know, what kind of market we're in. BTC up 2% on the day, Ethereum 0, and XRP 2.5. First article, Stellar's Jeb McCaleb says his XRP sell-off won't disrupt the crypto market. So, a recent Medium post from Blockchain Monitor, Will Alert, showed that the Stellar CTO Jeb McCaleb sold off more than 1 billion XRP between 2014 and 19. The post attempted to analyze whether or not McCaleb's sale of XRP will affect the price of the crypto. Will Alert noted that compared with other total trade volumes per day, the amount McCaleb is selling seems insignificant. So, if you guys don't know, Jeb McCaleb is also the creator of XRP and the co-creator of Ripple, and he then later on went to create Stellar's XLM, or just Stellar and everything surrounding it. And he also has an agreement with Ripple that he can sell off parts of his XRP every single day. Now, this agreement was for like 4 to 5 years, and then afterwards a little bit of a different agreement was set, but he still cannot sell for all of his days more than like 0.1%, maybe like 1% of the daily trade volume is what he can sell each day. And in the end, it will take a long time before all of his money is lost, for all his money is sold. And in the end here, the whole article is actually to kind of point out that in the end, this is not going to hurt them, all right? And following up, McCaleb told Cointelegraph in an interview that it's strange that so many people are focused on his recent trading of XRP, noting that others have sold so much more in comparison. He said, "I've been very transparent from the beginning. The market has known for years that I've been selling my XRP at a slow, steady rate. My investment decisions are not based on any desire to negatively impact other companies in this industry. I think the history to date shows that there's no impact on the market, and I don't see any reason why that will change." Now, this is not completely true because there has now, as we can obviously see, for always been a little bit of extra selling pressure because he is constantly, every day, selling a steady amount of XRP like he is just saying right there. It has influence on the market, of course, in a negative sense, but the only question is, does it have any significant effect? I think from that perspective, no, because XRP would not just skyrocket to $10,000 per coin if Jed stopped selling, but it could have done a little bit of a, let's say 1% maybe in total extra over all these years. So significant, most likely not, but it would have definitely made a little bit of a change because there would have been, I guess, less bears if you put it interesting or simply. He also is kind of showcasing here that, he likes everything to thrive, or at least he wants all these cryptos to do good. And the blockchains Ripple and Stellar are not necessarily competitors. Ripple comments on McCaleb's 7-year agreement. In 2016, we entered into a very structured agreement with Jed with the goal of ensuring distribution of his XRP holdings in service to a healthy, growing ecosystem without market disruption, with Ripple as custodian of Jed's holdings. This agreement remains in place today. Much of this information is publicly available. And now I think this agreement runs out. Let's see here. Interestingly, while Ripple posted about the agreement on the company forum in August 2014, Ripple told Cointelegraph that this was replaced with an updated 2016 agreement. This means that McCaleb's 7-year agreement with Ripple won't end until 2023. Will Alert noted in the blog post that McCaleb's agreement will expire this year based on the 2014 blog post. Will Alert also hypothesized that McCaleb's profits are being cashed out directly through Bitstamp. However, McCaleb told Cointelegraph that he is selling his XRP on Ripple's internal exchange, so this is not true either. Now, there's been people who analyze the situation, right? Because I said there's a constant selling pressure, but it will not have any significant it would have not done any significant value changes. It would not have any significant impact. But here, while McCaleb claims that his recent selling of XRP has not impacted the market price, others beg to differ. Founder of quantum economics and senior market analyst at eToro, Matty Greenspan, told Cointelegraph that McCallum's XRP sales are likely a reason XRP has been underperforming lately. He said, "Price is a simple matter of overall volumes on the buy side versus the overall volumes on the sell side. So more tokens sold definitely causes downward pressure on the price." I mean, this is the most obvious statement in history, especially when we're talking about large amounts. Now that is again a little bit of a crazy part because he sold about 1 billion in 5 years, about 200 million each year, about let's say $1 million worth of XRP or a million XRP a day, right? It just depends. It just depends on what you call significant. Because if he sold 1 million XRP, to put it simply, let's say 0.7, maybe let's say 1 million XRP a day, it might have no difference at all. But on the contrary, there's always some extra pressure because he is selling. That's how I like to see it. In this 1.25 billion volume, 1 million is not going to do much of a difference, you would say. But in the end, it might have had some difference overall. Ripple's XRP on the verge of a rally to 70 cents because of 7 technical factors. Well, it was on its way to 70 cents, but since Jem McCallum is selling so much, it will never happen. No, just kidding, guys. Just a little bit of a stupid joke. Don't take that too seriously. After a brutal 50% performance against the US dollar in 2019, which is a negative one, Ripple's XRP has mounted a very strong recovery to the start of this new year. 2020 is a GOAT year for XRP. We're doing extremely good, extremely extravagantly good right now, plus 50% on the year since we started out at 19 cents, right now at 30.3, and over the weekly, over the monthly, over the daily, over the hourly, we're just doing really, really quite strong. Now, there are some differing opinions right now of people who would like to, see XRP do even a little bit better. And if you look at the statistics here, or the information, I guess, we were at 17 cents in December, and we neared 33 cents a couple of days ago, so we did about 100% gain in about 8 weeks' time. If you just think about that, think about how much money you can make in just 8 weeks' time here. Think about your job, Could you ever 2 times your money with a normal job? No, most likely not. You're earning a normal wage. So that's, again, really crazy and really insane if you see it from that perspective. XRP could soon see 133% rally, says top analyst. Financial Survivalism has put onto Twitter, "Don't shoot the messenger, XRP." And let's quickly read through. Few analysts have been as accurate as Financial Survivalism as of late. The cryptocurrency called Bitcoin's surge to $9,200 by mid-January, weeks in advance, almost nailing the timing and magnitude of the move. Now he's saying that XRP could be on the verge of a strong move higher. In a tweet published Tuesday, he posted the below chart showing that he expects the price of the crypto to rocket towards 70 cents, 130% above the current price at 30 in the coming months. Let's quickly check it out. He backed his lofty forecast by looking at a few factors on the long-term chart of the crypto. The Heiken and Ashi candles have turned green on a weekly basis, implying a reversal, and the cryptocurrency has turned a key horizontal into support, and it has broken above the falling wedge pattern, adding to the bull case. So, don't shoot the messenger, XRP. He added his chart right here, and his target is for 70 cents to occur relatively soon, right? Some people are, of course, kidding with, "I'm waiting for 589, and don't shoot him, just unfollow him. Yeah, you're stupid," and things like that. We see it all the time, guys. But here, he's trying to be honest here. I think he's trying to do something good. He's not asking you for anything, right? So I don't really see why we should be angry with him. I think it's just a nice gesture for him to do this. So I guess I can give him a little bit of a thumbs up right there for putting it out. Alert! Ripple shows XRP price above 45 cents on its official website. Is a pump coming? Just want to quickly take your hopes down. I don't know exactly how this happens, but it happens often, right? We've seen it happen very often. So I don't know if their site is still bugged, but there's been at least 5 times that I've seen people on Twitter post this heavily, just talking about the Ripple website showing wrong numbers. So again, I'm not seeing this as anything significant. I'm just seeing it as a little bit of an error because it's 50% higher. Ripple and Binance in trouble? Wait, what? I actually skipped this part. I just wanted to quickly read about the 45 cents issue, but I didn't know there was any more info at the bottom here. Ripple and Binance in trouble. Notably, this error comes in a day when the Binance exchange is also experiencing some problems. As we reported earlier, the exchange is down. Wait, what? The CEO has, however, been active on Twitter, assuring all users that everything is well and fine and that the systems will be back. So that's actually really insane, guys. I didn't even notice. Okay. One prominent analyst has been very critical, drawing at the fact that the exchange has been having problems for days. He notes that the exchange should focus on maintaining systems and not the recent addition of new leveraged pairs. Crypto Michael, Dutch guy, says, unbelievable. It's getting a daily problem on Binance nowadays. But still, we keep on adding new leveraged pairs. The priority is seemingly at letting you lose your money as fast as you can. But CZN said, your funds are safe. There are people spreading FUD now. Excuse me. There are, you mean? My days. You can safely block them now or when we come back online. You want up-to-date info, but you definitely want to block negativity and FUD out of your life. It will have a positive impact on your finances and quality of life. Yeah, I guess so. It does help if you keep everything cool, I guess. Ripple's XRP price can reach $1 in 2020, expert claims. Now, if you guys have watched the channel, you know that these articles are here every single day of the week. Now, they're talking just about Angelo BTC, though, who put a minimum to his take profits, right? He's not saying XRP will go to $1 recently or in the future shortly here. He's just saying, my minimum take profits as we approach 2021 are 30,000 for Bitcoin, 500 for Ethereum, $10 for XTZ, and XRP at $1. Again, he's actually not predicting it. He's just saying, I would only take profit if we hit those numbers at minimum. So I guess the title is taken a little bit out of context. On the contrary, though, he most likely also predicts that it will happen, right? Because, yeah. Mocho says, XRP short term, if this holds the support, we're going to have a second round. All right, Dave Jones says $54 million or 7.5% of the total of remittances from USD to Mexico were XRP powered just last week. That's an extra $2 billion of volume per year for the appointed exchange. That is also attracting market makers, and that is just one corridor for one client early on. But still, they already got 7.5%, which is 3% more than last year, which was pretty good, or from December last year, I should say. Pretty damn nice how they're upgrading. Ripple reveals $54 million in XRP remittances sent from the US to Mexico in 1 week. And moving forward, let's see. This is just exactly the same info that we just read before. That's why I skip it. Here is a video. Wait, what? What's going on? Stop the video. It was moving. Wow, damn. Cryptocurrency in focus. XRP ripples out to mainstream wire service. Is that a pun? Is that a little pun? Ripples out. Ripple has partnered with International Money Express. Just posted 2 hours ago. So I just noticed this as well. Already a major player in the cryptocurrency sector, XRP is set to expand further as earlier this month, Ripple partnered with the wire service company International Money Express, IMXI. Get Report or Intermex, which reportedly processes more than 30 million payment transactions annually. In addition to benefiting XRP, the partnership will help leverage RippleNet for faster, transparent cross-border remittances services between the United States and Mexico. According to the World Bank, Mexico is the third largest country, $36 billion a year, and with their service, of course, everything's going to be going a little bit better. Pretty nice to see this as well. At the bottom, I think we can also see again how good this is, why XRP is so amazing. Pretty damn nice to see all of this here. The general articles from non-crypto websites or non-generic crypto websites are also getting more positive, which is definitely good to see in a time like this. Actually, I should say a time like this is always positive to see. Right now, we're actually in a very good time, so we wouldn't have needed it, but it's still very, very nice. Ripple price analysis, XRP to USD bulls come short as ranging action starts between 28 and 30 cents. Ripple upward momentum from support at 27 cents stalls at 30. Shrinking volatility suggests that there will limited price action with XRP USD ranging between 28 and 30 cents. Well, we're above 30 cents right now. I don't think this is a real necessary article. And then XRP price set to reach 70 cents as CryptoTator turns bullish. It's all the same thing. It's from Financial Survivalism. XP is doing really good. And the cold-blooded Schiller, he says, honestly, just feel like going all in XRP and longing back on in the summer at some point. Or logging back in the summer. That's because everybody's expecting XP to surge and not come back down for a long time, right? Or even if it comes down, it's not going to go down far enough where your trades will be closed. It's a hope thing, guys. I really hope so. right? There's so much potential. There's so much money to be made here. So we're just going to wait and see what happens. Thank you all for watching this video, though. Hopefully you did enjoy. If you did, make sure you press the like button. And I'll see you guys again in another crypto video. Guys, take care. Have a very nice day. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you guys again in another one.